Moin, Sergio. Nice to meet you,
Max.
bro.
Nice.
Namaste, namaste. Back in Mumbai again, and today we're exploring a very different area of Mumbai. We're in the Dharavi slums. This is where Slumdog Millionaire was shot. This is the biggest slum in all of India. The boys are here, Native Thai.
What's up, guys?
One more time, J Max Lee and Ash. So we met Ash in the hostel, and he's gonna be our tour guide for today. But a little bit of history about the slums, about Dharavi specifically. So this used to be just a mangrove forest, but when the British Raj came in power, Mumbai became the center of the textile and pottery and all the businesses. This became a place where the workers lived, and it just kept expanding along with Mumbai. And now it's the biggest slum in all of India. How's it going? What are you making inside?
क्या बना रहे हो अंदर?
Jolly box.
Oh, you made a box?
Jolly box. We type of pizza box.
Oh, pizza box. So
Yes, brother.
you're making pizza box here.
Yes.
Oh, can I?
All rounder, brother. All rounder.
Bro, what's your name?
Moin.
Moin, Sergio. Nice to meet you, bro.
Max. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, brother.
So how do you make the pizza box? Like, what's the process?
Process. This is hard. This, brother. This is one side.
Oh.
Oh, you make the leather.
No foam.
Oh, foam.
Foam box.
Foam.
Foam wallet.
Yeah, right.
All rounder, brother.
Leather.
Leather. कुछ भी बना लेता हूँ मैं.
Can I touch this one?
Oh, okay. No.
Bro, that
Good
feels
quality.
incredible, man.
Layer.
Foam.
Foam.
It's foam. Oh, all the foam here.
Rubber.
That's insane.
Wallet factory.
Wallet factory.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, brother.
Man, that's beautiful, man.
How
Thanks
old
for
are you,
showing us.
brother?
You work here? Oh, you're working there? What's your name?
Vinod.
Vinod. Sergio, man. Nice to meet you, man. And where is your factory?
29.
No, medical.
Miracle? Oh, shop.
Yeah.
Oh, can I see your shop, bro?
Yes, brother.
All right, let's see this. Oh, you, medical. Pharmacy. Oh, it's like a pharmacy, huh? Jumyong's big muscle is blocking the way. I cannot see anything, bro.
Get away. How much is the
Namaste, bro.
Oh, it's expensive.
How are you? Good day.
Do you have a more cheap?
So, what time you open the shop?
9 a.m. to 12 p.m.
12 p.m. Holy shit! All day long, bro. Busy. So this is the pharmacy here in Dharavi. Got all the medicine here. People give him the slot. How much this one, bro? 20. There we go. Thank you, brother. Shukriya. Hello. We got a little Sprite now. This one is South Korean size Sprite, bro. Hello, brother. What's your name?
Friend, Juman.
Duman. Oh, friend.
Friend.
Friend. Bye. Yeah. All right. The tour continues. Here we have some nice dresses. Hello. Nice dress shop. Some clothes for some handsome men. A lot of clothing. And here's the living areas. It's like a whole city all in itself. How does it feel being here, like being from India? Like, is it very different to what you're used to?
Oh, absolutely not. You find this everywhere, but this is just too big. Dharavi is like one of the biggest slums in the world, so...
But you don't, like, where you live, like, you probably live in a good area. In Delhi.
Yeah, in Delhi.
Like, you don't live in a place like this.
No, obviously not, no.
Yeah. So, like, it's still, is it like a shock seeing this? Or not really?
No, not really, because you do find these places everywhere. Like, even in Delhi, there's good places, there's poor places, right?
Yeah.
So...
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. I think I'm gonna die. Oh my God. Bro, beeping is like a language here, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Second language. He's playing the drums.
Hi.
Hey, bro, how are you?
You were beating
Bro,
me. You were beating me.
what?
Beating me.
He's beating you?
Yes.
No fighting, no fighting. That's not good. Give him a hug like this. Give him a hug.
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah, give him a hug, bro. Yeah, that's it. How are you, bro? Oh, he does. Oh, that hurts. That hurts, bro. Oh, he's professional.
One more.
That's crazy. Hello. How are you, bro? How are you? Good man, good. Where are you from? I'm from the Philippines, brother. Where are you from?
India.
India, from Dharavi?
No. UP.
UP. Okay. Have a good day, brother. All right, bro. It's all happening here, right?
Hey, we're getting started, huh?
It's all happening here.
Yes, sir.
Look at this little kitty.
Hi, bro. Hi,
Hello. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. You're fine? Guys. Look at the muscle. Big muscle. Look at the muscle. Oh, big muscle.
Fat.
Wait.
Nothing.
All right, we're gonna get a picture with the boys. All right, let's go, boys. Let's go. We got the photos. Everyone's joining now.
Yeah.
Sergio, what is your name? Summer. Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you.
Hi, guys. Have a good day, everyone.
Bye, boys. See you later. Bye. All right, we got it. Wow. All the kids are very, very sweet. Bro, is this ring?
20 rupees.
Bro, can I try? How much?
20 rupees.
20 rupee?
Yeah.
Bro, can I get one of this one?
Piece.
One piece?
Ek de do, ek piece.
20 rupee? Oh my god, man. That's crazy.
Size देखो.
There you go, bro. 20 rupees.
Size देखो.
Size maybe. Wow, 20 rupees. That's crazy. That's perfect, man. 20 rupee. You know what? I might get another one. Oh, this one. This one is good. But I want another gold one, actually.
Oh, do you have a big size?
Yeah. All right.
Oh, this one.
उसमें से तो चल.
Big.
Yeah, I take one of this one too, bro. All right. Hello, kids. The ring's right here. Can I get one as well? All right.
Sir.
Can I try the size, brother? Let me try small one. This one. This one. Perfect. Thank you, bro. Shukriya. Thank you. All right. Wow. They get excited over my rings. Got some fresh drip right now. 20 rupees. What a tour of the day it's been. We spent like an hour and a half or almost 2 hours here in the slums of Dharavi. And it's been such an eye-opening experience in a good way. Because like obviously think what you think about India and slums, but all the hospitality and niceness we've received over there has been just crazy. So we'll end the video here with a nice view of the river. It's been a good day, boys.